Hello students, welcome to my YouTube class. Today we will discuss a very important concept in series, that is Legendre differential equations. So let us start. Okay, so Legendre differential equation is 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus 2x into dy by dx plus n into n plus 1 into y is equal to 0. This is called Legendre differential equation, and I will call it as equation number 1. So as we know that we have to compare this equation with the original equation. What is my original equation? My original equation is d square y upon dx square plus p of x into dy upon dx plus q of x into y is equals to 0. So this is my standard differential equation. So after comparing with this equation, I have to multiply the original equation by 1 minus x square to make the coefficient of d square y upon dx square as 1. Okay, so we have to get, that is, what is my p of x value here after equating or after comparing with the standard differential equation, this differential equation. Okay, so my px value is minus 2x divided by 1 minus x square, and qx value is n into n plus 1 divided by 1 minus x square. Let me tell you, this is very important concept, that is to find the general solution of Legendre differential equation. So Legendre differential equation will look like this, and we have to simplify to get the series solution of this Legendre differential equation. Okay, so let us start. Whenever x is equal to 0, what are my px and qx values? Whenever x is equal to 0, I can say that my px value is 0 and qx value is n into n plus 1. Yes, so I can easily observe that these px and qx are analytic functions, isn't it? Therefore, I can say that my x is equal to 0 is an ordinary point. Okay, so whenever I have ordinary point, my series solution of equation number 1 will look like y is equal to summation m is equal to 0 to infinity am x raised to m. I will call it as equation number 2. As always, we have to differentiate, that is to substitute in the original differential equation, that is d square y by dx square and dy by dx. I need to find out these two results from this particular equation. So I will differentiate equation number 2 twice, that is first I will get dy upon dx and d square of y upon dx square. We need to substitute these two results in equation number 1. So my equation number 1 will become 1 minus x square into summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m minus 1 am x raised to m minus 2 minus 2x summation m is equal to 1 to infinity m am x raised to m minus 1 plus n into n plus 1 summation m is equal to 0 to infinity am x raised to m, that is equal to 0. Now, what is my next procedure? I have to multiply this particular result with 1 first. Then I will get here this summation as it is. Again, I have to multiply this particular result with minus x square. Then I can write this as minus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m minus 1 am x to the power. What will be my x to the power becomes m minus 2 becomes only m, because I have here 2 and here I have the power as m minus 2. So m minus 2 plus 2 will be only m, minus summation m is equal to 1 to infinity 2 m am into x. So the power of x here is m minus 1 and we have x here. So we can add the powers and I will get the power of x as x raised to m plus summation m is equal to 0 to infinity am x raised to m n into n plus 1, and that is equal to 0. This will be my equation number 3. Now, what will be the next procedure? The next procedure of this particular solution is, after equating the powers of x, now we have to equate or Now we have to make the power of x raised to m minus 2, m minus 1 as only m. For that, I have to substitute m minus 2 is equals to k first. Here, the power of x is only different here, that is the x raised to m minus 2. Therefore, m minus 2 is equal to k and my m value will be k plus 2. Therefore, the summation becomes m is equal to 2 to infinity becomes k is equal to 0 to infinity. In place of m, I have to substitute k plus 2. K plus 2 into k plus 2 minus 1 will be k plus 1. Ak plus 2 x raised to m minus 2 value is k. Now I have to replace k value by m and I have to put in equation number 3. Then my equation number 3 becomes summation m is equal to 0 to infinity m plus 1 m plus 2 am plus 2 x raised to m minus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m minus 1 am x raised to m minus summation m is equal to 1 to infinity 2m am x raised to m plus summation m is equal to 0 to infinity n plus 1 am x raised to m is equals to 0. Now we have to make the coefficient, that is make the summation range should be same. That is my highest range is 2 to infinity. So I have to convert these m is equal to 0 to 2, m is equal to 1 to 2 and m is equal to 0 to m is equal to 2. For that I have to expand this summation by substituting m is equal to 0 and m is equal to 1, and after that I can keep this as it is by using the summation m is equal to 2 to infinity. तो फर्स्ट आफ्टर m इज इक्वल टू 0 तो वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा 0 प्लस 1 विल बी 1 इंटू 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड a0 प्लस 2 विल बी a2 x to the power 0 will be 1. So I got here after substituting m is equal to 0 as 2a2 plus now substitute m is equal to 1 here. So 2 into 3 will be 6 a3 into x plus I will keep summation m is equal to 2 to infinity and these terms as it is. Now come to this summation. This is already from m is equal to 2 to infinity, so I have to keep this as it is. Now come to this. I have to substitute m is equal to 1 here and I have to write m is equal to 2 to infinity as it is. So what happened when m is equal to 1 I substitute here? I get 2 into a1 into x and minus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity 2m am x raised to m as it is plus I have here m is equal to 0 to infinity. तो उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना है? First I have to substitute m is equal to 0 and then m is equal to 1. After that I can keep the summation as it is. So after substituting m is equal to 0 here, n into n plus 1 as it is, a naught x raised to 0 will be a naught plus whenever m is equal to 1 I get n into n plus 1 a1 into x plus summation m is equal to 2 to infinity n plus 1 am x raised to m is equal to 0 as it is. Okay, so I will write all the terms, that is summation terms and constant terms as it is. So I'll write first a naught value. So I have here n into n plus 1 a naught and plus 2 a2 plus n into n plus 1 a1x plus 6a3x minus 2a1x plus I will write all the summation m is equal to 2 to infinity in one side and similarly all the coefficients as x raised to m. So I can write this m plus 1 m plus 2 as m square plus 3m plus 2, or you can keep as it is into am plus 2 minus I will multiply these two, that is m square minus m into am minus 2m am plus n plus 1, sorry here n into n plus 1 and the coefficients are am into x raised to m and that is equal to 0. Now we have to equate to 0 the various powers of x. So after equating various powers of x, my first power of x is x raised to 0. So x raised to 0 के coefficients हैं n into n plus 1 a naught plus 2 a2 is equals to 0 and the next power is x raised to m power, isn't it? This the next power is x raised to m. The coefficients are these. Okay, तो m plus 1, m plus 2, am plus 2 minus, I will multiply, that is, I will write am coefficients in one side, m square minus am plus 2m minus n square minus n into am is equal to 0. And I will keep this as it is, and I will shift all the terms to the other side. So this minus becomes plus, m square minus n square I will write one side, and 2m minus m will be m minus n as it is into am as it is. Okay, to consider this equation, here I have m square minus n square. So I can use a square minus b square result, isn't it? So what is the value of a square minus b square? A minus b into a plus b. So here I can have m minus n, m plus n, plus I will keep this m minus n as it is into bracket am. So I will keep this am plus 2 as it is, and I will shift these two terms to the denominator of other side. So numerator becomes m minus n. I can take common from these two terms, isn't it? Because I have in these two terms my m minus n is common. So I can take this out, and inside the bracket I will have m plus n, and here I will have 1. So m plus n plus 1 into am divided by these two terms. Okay, I will call this as equation number star. So I need to calculate all the coefficients because my 0 is the ordinary point. My solution is in the form of a0 and a1 only. So I have to calculate all a2, a3, a4, a5 and so on in the form of a0 and a1 only. So whenever m is equal to 0, I will get my a2 value, isn't it? So whenever m is equal to 0, if I substitute in the recurrence relation, that is equation number star, then I will get a2 is equal to 0 minus n will be minus n, 0 plus n plus 1 will be n plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1 into 0 plus 2, that is equal to 1 into 2. So I can write this as minus n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 1 will be 2 factorial, and my am will be a0. Again, if m is equal to 1, my a3 value, 1 plus 2 will be a3, is equal to 1 minus n, 1 plus n plus 1. So 2 plus n divided by 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. 2 into 3 into a1 is equal to, I can take minus from this term as common. So I will get this as n minus 1. So minus of n minus 1, n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into a1. Again, whenever m is equal to 2, I will get my a4 as 2 minus n into 3 plus n divided by 3 into 4 into a2. But what is my a2 value? a2 value is minus n into n plus 1 divided by 2 into a0. So I can take common minus from this term, and I will get n minus 2 into n plus 3 divided by 4 into 3 into a2 value is minus n plus 1 divided by 2 into a0, and minus into minus will be plus n into n minus 2 into n plus 1 into n plus 3 divided by 4, 3, 2 will be 4 factorial, and into a0 as it is. Again, whenever m is equal to 3, if m is equal to 3, I will get my a5 is equal to. So compare with am plus 2, that is recurrence relation, I will get whenever m is equal to 3, my a5 will be equal to 3 minus n into 3 plus n plus 1 whole divided by, my m is 3, so I will have 3 plus 1, 4 into 3 plus 2, 5 into a3. I can write this 3 minus n as n minus 3 with minus, and 3 plus n plus 1 will be n plus 4 divided by 5 into 4. I will write this 4 into 5 as 5 into 4. And what is my a3 value? a3 value is minus of n minus 1 n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into a1. So this is my a3 value, that is minus n minus 1 n plus 2 into a1 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So I can write my a5 as minus into minus will be plus, and I have here n plus 2 n plus 3, and I will write this as n minus 1 n minus 3 n plus 2 n plus 4 whole divided by, what is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, it is equal to 5 factorial and a1 as it is. And I can continue all the terms like a6, a7, a8 and so on. The solution is, I have to substitute all the constant values in my solution, that is equation number 2. So I will get y is equal to a0 plus a1x, the value of a2, a3, a4, a5. And I can write all the constants of a0 one side, a0 into bracket. Here I have constant of a0 is 1. The constant of a0 is minus n plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into x square, plus the constant of a0 is n minus 2 n plus 1 n plus 3 divided by 4 factorial into x raised to 4 plus the other higher terms, plus I will take constants of a1 into, if I take constant of a1 in one side as the constant of a1 here is x, here it is minus n minus 1 n plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into x cube, and here it is n minus 3 n minus 1 n plus 2 n plus 4 divided by 5 factorial into x raised to 5 plus so on. And again I can write y is equal to a0 into y1x plus a2 into y2x, and this is the solution for Legendre differential equation. And tomorrow we will discuss some other concepts in Legendre differential equation. So for now, this is very important, that is the series solution for Legendre differential equation. And I must tell you, this is very important, and I think you should study all the points, that is whether whenever we have ordinary point, how to solve the or how to get the solution, and whenever we have singular point and whenever we have ordinary point, whenever we have regular singular point, we will apply the Frobenius method, and whenever we have the ordinary point, we will apply the simple differential series solution method. So we have discussed so many examples, that is variety of examples to calculate the series solution of differential equations. I think you should try more and more examples to get the accuracy in your series solution problems. So thank you so much. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.